What's up? We got another dent here for you guys. A little RAV4 with a pretty nasty dent in the rear body, or in the gate here. Most of it's underneath the molding, only a little bit is poking up out top of the molding. But we're gonna start with the silk clamp hook on here and get the frame of the gate nice and square, and then we'll probably move on to some glue pulling after that. Okay, here we go.
So as you just saw there, I was pulling with a Mo-clamp sill hook with a hydraulic tower, and now I'm just using a slide hammer to work the rest of the lip of the gate. Now we're going to be doing some knockdowns, getting everything that got pulled up and get some of them creases knocked down nice and smooth.
Okay, here it is after that one pull and a bunch of knockdowns. It's looking pretty good. Now we got it down to just that little dent there, and this line is still in a bit, but yeah, now we're gonna start to do some glue pulls. Oh, there we go. Just a quick pull, use glue pulls, and away we go. Ready for thrower. Piece of cake. Yeah, we're not even gonna have to put a lot of filler in like this area at all. It's just gonna be a little bit here and maybe a bit there. That is it.
Here we test fit everything to make sure it fits, it all looks good, and then there's the area that we used the putty on just to make everything nice and smooth.
Look at that.
And here we have the finished product and another happy customer.